had a muted skill stick. My love game.
No, it's
Something.
Hold on. Okay.
Lady Gaga!
Hold on.
Woo!
Follow my lead, okay?
I can't. It's impossible.
It's like, let's play a love game, play a love game. Do you want love or you want fame or you in the game? Oh, the love game.
Yeah. I like the
Just dance.
because it's
It's
simple.
gonna be okay. Just dance.
Oh yeah.
Poker
Do you
face.
like Poker Face?
Poker face is interesting.
Yes.
Do you know the chorus?
Oh yeah. Right now? No.
Go ahead, Jesse. Solo.
Solo, come on.
It's like, let's see. He carried my poker face.
Notice how
What?
she
You
has
just
to
did a
do
little bit of a John Cena right there.
You can't see me.
It's,
Marilla, honey, are you okay?
This is the.
oh, she doesn't like.
No, it's like this.
No, she's like,
No,
oh.
it's like, no, it's
I
like
mean, if
this.
I were
As soon
standing
as
up
I
and
put this
dancing,
down,
it's like,
I'm
she
invisible.
goes like that, and she does the stuff up there, and then she like
You're not
does
seeing me.
down her body and stuff.
Oh my gosh, your boyfriend's gone.
Wow.
This is not.
She does that in the part where she's dressed all techno-like. It's like, carry my poker face, she ain't got me like nobody. And,
Why are we discussing this?
You can't see my poker face.
It is the wrapper of Jesse's awesome candy.
It's
Toblerone.
blue and silver and red.
Look at the awesome. Look at the awesome box here.
And if it was jewels, it would be sapphires, rubies, and silver.
Oh, stop it, white girl. God. No.
What you talking about, girl?
Watermelon.
Stop now.
Ew.
Stop now before you convert yourself. Fixing Jesse's hair after she messed it up. Donna.
Because she